Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change screen resolution and font size in Windows 10. So for that, go to Start and click on Settings. Here go to System. Here you will see the resolution of the display. You can simply change it by clicking on different resolution. You can also change the orientation if you want to do it portrait, flipped, landscape or portrait. You can do as well. Here, click on this. This will change the size like this. You will need that if you are running a higher resolution monitor and things are smaller, so you can adjust that by using this option. I'm going to leave it on recommended. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.